Hi there, guys. In this module today, we'll be looking at yet another paid traffic generation method you can rely on to help boost traffic to your site: media buying. Are you ready? Well, let's get to the details. What is media buying? Media buying works by letting you purchase the most strategic and advantageous slots and spaces for the advertisements of your product or service. There's a wide range of media buying options one can choose from, ranging from newspaper ads to primetime television slots and online banner adverts. Since we're looking here from a digital business perspective, this module will be more focused on media buying in the context of internet marketing, online banner ads. These form of ads come in the form of graphic, rectangular displays that you see on the top, bottom, or sides of a website that are either static or animated. 5 key variables to a successful media buying campaign. It should be noted that there are a few important variables that must be taken into account if you choose to go down this route. This is so that you stay on the right track and ensures that you maximize your return on investment while minimizing potential losses. When your ads aren't working, it can almost always be traced back to any one of a few of these variables. The 5 key elements are as follows: 1. The demographics of your prospective customers. 2. The offer. 3. Your landing page. 4. The source of traffic. And 5. Your ad copy. Let's go into the specifics. 1. Demographics. First are the demographics of your prospective clients. Before putting up your banner on a specific site, you must identify who your target audience is. These are a few vital questions you should be asking about your audience. Who are they? Where's their location? What site are they on? What are they interested in? Try and answer the respective questions to get a bigger picture on how you should strategize your ads and which site should you select to display them on. If you put the right offer in front of the wrong demographic, surely it'll get you nowhere. 2. The offer. The second variable would be your offer. You must be really sure of what your offer is all about, which should answer the following questions. What are you selling? What are your price points? What are your upsells and downsells? One of the effective ways to model your offer is, of course, doing research on your competitor's offer. Yes, that's the ultimate secret. It's a form of research where you don't have to devise an entirely new plan for your business. Instead, you tweak your offer according to your competitors. When you've found a proven model, then you should just go with it. Why waste all your resources? 3. Your landing page. Third is your landing page. The landing page is the most important page in the sales funnel. Your landing page is where the prospective clients will be directed after they've clicked on your ad. The landing page should provide information on what you're selling, where it can be in the form of videos or previews. Whatever it is that you're planning to do, make sure that you cater towards your group of audience and what's working for them right now. Always observe the market. Again, work backwards and adopt a landing page that's already proven to be successful. 4. Your traffic source. Let's move on to the 4th variable, which is your traffic source. As mentioned in the previous module, most ad campaigners don't realize that the source of traffic's already there. Online users are constantly navigating from site to site every minute. Find ways to redirect them to you. 5. Your ad copy. Last but not least is your ad copy. The ad copy is equally as important as other elements, as it is the gravitational factor that influences the prospective clients to decide on whether or not they should click on your ad to know more. It determines your click. Research and analysis. It's important to determine where and when your ad should appear when it comes to online media buying. This requires strategic planning to ensure that you don't waste your resources, your time, and your money. One form of research you can do here would be reverse engineering. Reverse engineering simply means that you work backwards. Instead of crafting a brand new plan for your media buying campaign, you should make use of the available information and resources. The key here is to model your campaign after what's been proven to work. Let me give you an example. How do you drive traffic towards your ad campaign via a specific site? It's your job to figure out which site or page that they're constantly visiting, and how would you redirect them to you? One effective way to go about it is to reverse engineer from your competitors' campaigns. Identify their offer as well as to whom their audience is. Next would be to identify your direct and indirect competitors. When you venture into any business, you have to acknowledge that there will always be competition. Therefore, you have to take a strategic step by conducting an analysis on your competitors. You can use the information to improve your business's performance when you compare it with your competitor. You're also able to identify if there are any gaps in the market that you choose to exploit. Most important, you can leverage your competitors' traffic sources as you now know what the audience is willing to pay. Your direct competitor refers to the company offering the same product or service as you are. For instance, if you're selling health supplements, you notice that Company A is also selling health supplements. Your indirect competitors, however, are those who are offering an entirely different product or service than you are, but they're catering to the same demographics. This means they have the same target audience as you do. Here's an example of what an indirect competitor means. Let's say your company specializes in health supplements aimed at elderly folks. Your competitor, Company B, caters to the exact same audience, but they offer a different product from yours, a comprehensive fitness course for the elderly. This makes them your indirect competitor as you share the same audience. To do this, you can use sites or applications that allow you to track your competitors' performance. One of those sites available out there is similarweb.com, which is entirely free and is practical for those who would want to have a rough idea of how their competitors are doing. If you want a more comprehensive description of your competitors, you can instead opt for whatrunswhere.com, adbeat.com. Subscription to these sites can set you back almost $200. These sites will provide you useful information regarding your competitors, like what's their niche, where are they generating their traffic, which referrals, advertising platform are they using, which site are they purchasing their ads from, how many visits do they have on their landing page. When you have gathered the information required, you can then figure out ways to adjust your campaign accordingly. To be more innovative, you could add in more value to the products or services in the gaps that you've identified.